Alright, so here's the test. First off, we're on the back side of the property. Back side of my property, I should say. In the Jeep. Get a little away from everything. And I'm going to do some tests. Find out what camo, out of the Navy camos that I have, that might work the best. Because I know there's a lot of the old Type 1 digitals that people say you'll stand out like a sore thumb, because they are they are blue and gray and black, but the digital, I'd like to be able to see exactly what they can do. Alright, got 3 uniforms and 1 civilian outfit that we're going to be trying. First one's going to be the digital greens from the U.S. Navy. They are the Navy working uniform type 3 that everybody is going to go to in the Navy. First position is the kneeling position, and then the standing position, and the prone position. And then I'll approach after each one to show you exactly what it looks like. And I understand that this was done in rain, so at 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. This is the next one coming up is BDUs, which were used in the Navy and other militaries from Vietnam all the way up till about 8 years ago. So we have the same kneeling, standing, and prone position, and then the approach toward the camera so that you can see what it looks like. Last one is going to be the last uniform is going to be the digital blues, which are the Navy Type 1s. That will be expired in 2019. Still in the kneeling position, standing position, and prone position, and then walk toward the camera. You can see exactly how blue this uniform is from the prone position and standing position. It does still blend in very well in the background of the first 2 shots. Last shot is going to be of a civilian uniform, which is going to be blue jeans and a long sleeve brown t-shirt and a camouflage hat. You can see the blue jeans mostly. I think if I'd have worn khaki pants or something, that the blend in probably would have been much better. This is also the one outfit that I wore that did not repel water. It got me pretty wet out there. Not soaked, just got to my skin where the other ones did not. The last shot here is just showing the uncut version of about 15-20 seconds of the digital green, showing where I went, where I approached it, where I knelt each time, and where I stood up. I'm not going to go to the trouble of showing you where I laid down because I think that was pretty obvious. So, appreciate it. So what do you think? Was it a good test? I think that the Type 3 digital, the greens, worked out very well. I think the BDUs did well. Not quite as good as the Type 3s. And I was surprised that the Type 1s actually did as well as they did, as long as there's not movement. Made it very difficult to be able to see the person, or you could kind of tell that there was a little bit of a darkness there. But it blended in. I mean, it could be very well skipped over if you weren't looking at it very closely. Obviously, the civilian outfit, the shirt and the face paint, I mean, you normally wouldn't be having any kind of camo paint on your face. But the cover, I mean the hat, and the brown long sleeve t-shirt both did very well. I think the blue jeans are really the only thing that gave it away actually in the woods. So that's my conclusion. Put your conclusions down below. Give me some hints and things that you may have seen or done in the past. Next video in this particular series on the camouflage clothing, we'll try to get this into a more industrial environment and see if we end up with the same type of results. So till then, see you at the next video.